Hello, everyone, and welcome back. All right, so the last video we discussed the new table that is time slices. So, yeah, it was a long video, but we wanted to discuss it in detail to cover some concepts there. What we want to do is see the time slices in action. So, can we use the QTD selection that we built and use that to filter the chart here? Okay, so for that to happen, we need to do two things. Head over to the model view first and inspect it. Okay, so time slices is a new table here that you can see here as a result of what we did in the last tutorial. And this is the historical data that we use for all the visualizations at the moment. We want to build a relationship between these two tables. Okay, so how do we do that? The reason is that we'll be using the new selection column to control the data in this chart. Okay, so how we do that, you click here and all right, we right click and we go manage relationships, click on new relationship, and from the first table is going to be the new time slices one. Highlight the date column uh, to the historical data. Again, highlight the date column. How we want this to be, so there are two things. This is the one to many cardinality. We can discuss that later, but it's not something that we want to discuss at the moment. We'll take a longer one. Cross filter direction is single or both. We want to keep it single, so we want to control the filtering from the new time slices table to the existing table. Right? That's what this is, and you click on save, close. You'll see this new line coming through, and the arrow says that the time slices is going to filter this table. All right, so click on report view, and now we incorporate that. Okay, so hold on and click on the existing time slicer here. In the visual under the visualization pane, you will see that it has already highlighted the slicer visualization. We want to move on from that, and as we want some extra functionality, so the button slicer is what we are looking for. It's a new visualization, but I'll show you how to use that. Click on that. Okay, so it will start looking funky. Don't worry. Uh, so at the moment, it's referring the dates from the historical data. We want to use the selection column from the new table. Okay, so remove this and click on selection, and there you go. You can already see QTD coming through here. Well, this is all the dates that have not been mapped. Okay, we'll come back to that as well. Okay, click on QTD. Voila. So your chart just changed and it's showing from 29th August 2025 to 5th of June 2025. So yeah, it's going back almost a quarter. Not exactly, but yeah, we are very near, but that can depend on how you write function. So this seems to be working now, and we in the next video we'll first learn how to format this new visual and then slowly add new date functionalities, let's say year to date, mat, and any other custom filter that we can think of. Okay, we'll keep building the time slices function here. All right, I think it's a very useful functionality that you can apply to your own projects. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Thanks. Bye.